It is the evening. I'm out here at my other tomato bed. It's 6:31 in the evening. I got off of Miss Linda's live early. And look at all these weeds. I got to get all these weeds, cut back the basil, and trim these plants up. Let's get to it, everybody. Okay, I'm finished. Sorry, it's 7:30 in the evening, so I got done within an hour, a lot faster than what I thought. Let me show you what I did. As I told you, I cleaned out all the weeds out of that bed. As you can see, I cut back the tomato plants significantly, and I cut some basil. I also cut flowers every day for my chamomile plants. I permanently leave a stool out here in the garden area because it's just easier for me now. I also fertilized everything with 511 Fish Emulsion, and I pulled 2 scallops. Let me show you. So I researched, and you should pull scallop squash when they are between 2 to 4 inches long. I'm getting my measuring tape out. Keep a measuring tape in my lady shed. Look at that. Look at that. And there's my chamomile flowers. I decided to go ahead and pull those. Why? Because I'm worried about the rat that likes to come out at night and sniff. And I kept looking at it. I said, I think that one may be big enough to pull, harvest. Let's see. I looked at my other Mabry one. She's almost there, but not quite there. I hope I don't have to sacrifice her. I hope nothing comes and bites her. And I also got a lot of weeds. Let me show you. Weeds and dead leaves and branches out of the squash plant. It wasn't too many, but I got in there. You see it's a little bit more space. I am concerned about her. I'm thinking about pulling her. I'm really thinking about pulling her, and maybe that'll give more energy. I'm gonna pull her because that thing might come over here and start chomping away. She's almost at 2. I'm gonna pull her. And when I pulled these, this one I left the stem on. This one I was trying to get it, and it snapped right off without the stem. So I'm gonna pull that last one, and then I'm done for the evening. Wash off my boots, go in the house, and then wash my tail from head to toe, like I always say. But yeah, pretty busy and constructive day in the garden today, even though it was hot. I got done what I needed to get done, and that's it. All right. So as I always say, please find peace within yourself, and please be peaceable with everyone around you. I love you all. Have a fantastic Sunday evening. Bye. I'm back real quick. So I pulled her, and in the words of the OC, the everyday life of the OCD chick, you want to pull these scallop squash when they are young and tender. So I went ahead and pulled them, and after I shower, I'm going to get in the bed and see what kind of recipes they are for cooking them, because they said they only last a couple of days, but that's okay. I need to be eating healthier anyway, so I'm going to give some recipes a try.